Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am making creamy Malai Kulfi in a new way. Rich, smooth and naturally creamy with simple homemade ingredients. This easy kulfi recipe is perfect for hot summer days and special family treats. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 2 cups milk. Cook on medium heat while stirring continuously. Keep stirring the milk to avoid burning. Let the milk come to a boil. Now add 3 bread slices. And 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Mix well. Bread helps create a creamy texture naturally. Kulfi is one of the oldest traditional frozen desserts. Cook until the bread becomes soft and blend into the milk. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool for about 5 minutes. Now add half cup grated jaggery and mix well while the mixture is still warm. Jaggery gives a rich caramel-like sweetness. Add jaggery only when the mixture cools slightly. Pour everything into a blender. And blend until completely smooth and creamy. Transfer the mixture into a 5-inch mold. Add dry fruits on top. Homemade kulfi can be made without cream. Cover and keep in the freezer for 7 to 8 hours until fully set. Serve chilled. Freeze for enough time to set properly. Milk provides calcium and protein. Cashew nuts add healthy fats and richness. Jaggery is a natural sweetener. Homemade desserts are fresher and preservative free. Your creamy homemade Malai Kulfi is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy every bite. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.